Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT in Biyani Group of Colleges. Today I deliver a lecture on common errors in switch case statement. In previous lecture we have already discussed switch case statement. So today we are going to discuss various kinds of common errors which generally occurs during switch case statement. Now we are taking example. In this example we have integer kind of I variable. Printf, enter any number, scanf, %d, m% of I, we are receiving values from keyboard. This is switch statement, switch I, case 1, case 2, case 3 and case default. So, normally in case of the switch case statement, if we discuss syntax, switch, inside switch integer expression case constant 1 statement this is the basic syntax as we discussed earlier. Switch expression, integer expression, this value will match by case value. If case value is satisfied, then particular case will be executed. So, case 1, case 2 and last one default. There is no need of case. There is no need of case. If switch value does not match any particular case value, automatically default case will be executed. But in this example, we can see this is the case 1. If we receive value 1, then this case will be executed. If value 2, then this case will be executed. If value 3, then particular case will be satisfied. But here we can see there is a keyword case. So, in case of the switch case statement, there is no need of case keyword precede default. So, it gives error message. This program gives error message. Expression error name is expression syntax in function main, because we are using default. Before default we are using case keyword. So, there is no need of case keyword precede default. Default is separately only default. So, it gives error message. Error name is expression syntax in function main. So, we are always use proper syntax during writing any kind of code in switch case statement. Now, we are taking another example of switch case statement here. Now, we are taking second example. In this example, we have an integer variable I, switch I, case 1 it print value A, case 2 it print message B and case 3 there is a continue keyword and last one is default case, it print X. Suppose if particular case 3 is satisfied, case 3 will be satisfied, then according to you control goes to switch statement. So, it is not occur. Actually, continue and break statement always work with loop. So, this type of continue inside a switch case always gives error message. So, always remember we will always use break and continue inside a loop. Directly we cannot use inside a switch. So, it gives error message. So, output of this program will be error. The name of error is misplaced continue in function main. So these are two kinds of error which generally occur during the switch case statement. Thank you for watching our video lecture. Please like, comments and subscribe our YouTube channel gurukpu.com. Thank you.